The staggered eyelet stitch is a very easy stitch and ideal for beginner knitters. The front is very flat, while the back is the typical purl backing. This is the wrong side of your knitting. This pattern has 8 rows of knitting which make up the complete pattern. So it's ideal to have multiples of 4. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. First row, we start with a knit. So just like our stocking stitch, we knit across because this is our flat front of our project. So knit straight across, turn your project around, and now we do 1 row of purl. Purl to the end of your row. This is an ideal pattern to do while you're watching television or not really concentrating, because most of the rows are purl or straight plain. And then when you get to the pattern row, that's when you can actually concentrate. Row 3 is where we do our pattern. Knit 2, 1, 2. Now we knit 2 together, so that means that we take 2 stitches at once and come around and knit the 2 together. So you can see that there's 1, 2 stitches that have been knitted. We take our yarn over and move it towards you, and we knit 2. As we come up and over into our knit, you can see that we've just created a stitch. And knit 2. Now we repeat that to the end. So we knit 2 stitches together. We move our yarn over and towards you. We knit 2, 1, 2. And then to finish off the row, we knit the final 2 stitches. 1, 2. So that was our pattern row. Now we turn to row 4, and it's a purl row. Shortly you'll be able to see the stitch that we actually created. When we purl that stitch, it will create the eyelet. So here it is here. So we come in, purl, and see how it's created the hole here. So that's the effect that we're actually after. So we purl to the end, and here's another one. So we're going to purl into this, and this makes the hole or the eyelet. So that's perfect. Now row 5, we knit, because we're on our knitting side, our flat side of our project. And we knit all the way to the end. Row 6 is a purl row. purl all the way to the end. Row 7, we knit 2 together. So grab the 2 stitches and knit together. We place our yarn over and towards you, and we knit 2, 1, 2, and now we continue with that pattern all the way to the end. Knit 2 together, move your yarn over and towards you, knit 2 stitches, 1, 2, knit 2 together, yarn over and towards you, knit 1, knit 2. And our final row in this pattern is row 8, and it's a purl row. And we purl to the end. So just take note that the previous row was the pattern one, so this one is, we're actually making the hole or the eyelet in our knitting project. That completes the 8 rows of the pattern.